Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how you can use Todoist for daily gratitude journaling. Kick things off by setting up a new project in Todoist. Name it something like Daily Gratitude. This is the space where you'll store and organize your daily entries. Having a dedicated project helps you keep your gratitude journal separate from your other tasks, making it easier to navigate. Now that we've done that, let's create a new task within this project. Click on Add Task and type in Gratitude Entry. The reason we do this is to establish a consistent routine. This helps us because a regular reminder will prompt you to pause, reflect, and write down your thoughts. Here's a nifty tip. You can set this task to recur daily. Click on Schedule and select Every Day. This way, Todoist will remind you to write your gratitude entry each day, fostering a habit of journaling. Next up, write your gratitude entry in the comments section of the task. Click on the task and then click on Add Comment. Write about what you're grateful for in the day. This might feel a bit odd initially, but trust me, it's a fantastic way to acknowledge the positive aspects of your life. It's also beneficial because it allows you to look back and appreciate your growth over time. Now let me explain why this matters. Taking time to express gratitude has been shown to improve mental health, and using Todoist to do this helps you integrate this practice seamlessly into your daily routine. You might be wondering what happens when you complete the task. Well, your gratitude entries won't disappear. They'll be in the activity section of the task, allowing you to look back on your past entries anytime you wish. That's it. You've just learned how to use Todoist for daily gratitude journaling. It's a simple yet powerful way to cultivate positivity and mindfulness. Remember, consistency is key. Happy journaling.